Well, hey guys, backyard scrapping here, and we got us a package from Dime Digger. And I believe this is going to be my package from not last week's $50 hunt, Sunday evening $50 hunt, but I believe it's the week before. And I am cheap, I reuse stuff, so if I can get this open without ripping it, I am going to do it. Otherwise I would just break out the monster and cut it, but I think we can do it. Ah, come on. Salvage on the scrapper. Gotta salvage this envelope. Almost got it. See, I'll do anything to make my videos longer, right, Lake House? Look at there, we almost got it, and it'll be good enough. I'll be able to use that again. Some poor unsuspecting person will get a used envelope. Okay, so we managed to salvage that, and let's see what we got. Note. Dean, thanks again for supporting my friend. I really enjoy doing the streams and having everyone hang out. Congrats on the win, and thanks for watching the videos, Dime Digger. Well, always, my friend. I will always watch them. Let's see. Put these little staples out. And I know we actually got pretty lucky 2 weeks in a row. We didn't get no halves. I didn't get no silver halves before, so I'm not getting them in mine either. But we did get the Prospector round, 1 ounce fine silver. We won that at the beginning of the stream. Very cool. 999 fine silver, and we did get a bag pull 40%er, and we got a dime, a 64. Looks like a 64 Philly and a 68D. So that was from not this past Sunday, but the Sunday before. So I thank you, Dime Digger, appreciate it. He will be on, I presume. He hasn't said he's quitting yet, so we'll be with him again Sunday night at 9 o'clock Eastern time. So we will see you guys then. DD, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.